Welcome back to Ride Radar, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and industry insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lexus ES 300h, a luxury hybrid sedan that's all about comfort, efficiency, and understated elegance. If you're looking for a premium daily driver that blends classic Lexus refinement with modern hybrid tech, this one might just check all your boxes. Design and exterior. The 2025 ES 300h carries over Lexus's familiar design language, but adds subtle updates for a more contemporary feel. Up front, the signature spindle grille is more streamlined, flanked by sleeker LED headlights with integrated DRLs. The silhouette remains elegant, with a long, sweeping roofline that hints at both luxury and aerodynamics. New alloy wheel designs and fresh paint options give the ES a touch of freshness without straying far from its well-established identity. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the most serene cabins in its class. Lexus has refined the materials even further for 2025, with soft-touch surfaces, open-pore wood, and available semi-aniline leather. The seats are plush and supportive, offering excellent comfort for long drives. Rear seat space is generous, and the quietness of the cabin makes this sedan feel like a sanctuary on wheels. Technology and features. The 2025 ES 300h comes equipped with Lexus's latest infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a responsive voice assistant. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, while available upgrades like the Mark Levinson Premium Audio System elevate the driving experience. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is standard, bringing advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and pre-collision braking. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the ES 300h retains its proven 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Lexus's hybrid drive system, delivering a combined 215 horsepower. It's not a performance sedan, but it's incredibly smooth and efficient. With an estimated 44 miles per gallon combined, the ES 300h stands out as one of the most fuel-efficient luxury sedans on the market. The ride is tuned for comfort, with excellent insulation from road imperfections and engine noise. Final thoughts. The 2025 Lexus ES 300h doesn't try to be flashy or sporty. Instead, it leans into what it does best, providing a refined, comfortable, and efficient driving experience. For those who appreciate subtle luxury, impeccable build quality, and hybrid savings, the ES 300h continues to be a top contender. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a ride.